Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Tini Puspita Agustini, number 4 in class 12, social 2. Earthquake. Earthquakes are vibration of shocks that occur due to the movement of layers of rocks originating from the bottom or subsurface of the earth. Natural events that often occur in areas close to volcanoes and also in areas surrounded by vast oceans. The earthquake occur because of the shifting of the earth's lower layers and the terrible volcanic eruption. Earthquake events occur so fast with such a great impact, and the effects it has are very extraordinary. Earthquake vibrations are very strong and spread in all directions so that it can destroy, build, and cause casualties. Based on the cause of the occurrence, earthquake can be classified into, namely, tectonic earthquake and volcanic earthquake. Tectonic earthquake occur because the layer of the earth's crust becomes precarious or soft, so that it experiences movement. Tectonic plate theory contains an explanation that Earth consists of several layers of rocks. Much of the crustal area will be washed away and float in layers like snow. This layer moves so slowly that it breaks and collides with another, which is why earthquakes occur. Meanwhile, volcanic earthquakes occur because of an extremely devastating volcanic eruption, so that the ground around the mountain trembles and even vibrates until it falls far. It was the cause of volcanic earthquake. This volcanic earthquake is less common when compared to tectonic earthquake. In conclude that the earthquake can occur at any time without knowing the season. However, earthquake concerns tend to occur certain places, such as the Pacific Plate boundary. This place is known for its ring of the fire because of the many volcanoes. How to deal with the danger of an earthquake, namely by taking cover under a table, avoiding tall buildings or poles because of the risk of collapsing, avoiding the oceans because it might trigger a tsunami. The conclusion of this explanatory text is that many disasters that look in Indonesia are not only earthquake but many others natural disasters. We must protect the earth, which is getting old, and not polluting that air with our dirty hands. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.